Hi there. 5 years time, more staff for one. So obviously, creating and increasing employment here in the local community. Offering sort of more in the way of printing. We've got more machines that come in now. We've got new machines we've been trained on. So that's a new feature and a new string to our bow then. So we're looking to grow that bigger as well. But also we need more staff for that. So that's all part pack and parcel. And then looking at sort of having dedicated staff for certain things. So we're looking to maybe have somebody who's an in-house bookkeeper, for example. So that can need to be done in-house and kept up to date very, very regularly. Especially as we grow, it's going to be kept up to date more and more. So it's things like that really we'll be looking at. But ultimately it's grow the business in the premises we have currently and just make it as efficient and profitable as possible is the key thing really for me there. So exciting new goals then for the business really would be the fact that we're adding strings to our bow. So we're going to be offering bespoke products then, bespoke shapes and things like that as well. It'd be small runs, but for parties, for events and things like that, it'll be a very, very unique line of work then. So do keep an eye out for that there. We'll be putting on social media as time goes on, revealing these new things, which will be quite exciting. What I enjoy most about working here really is the fact that it's my own business for one. So obviously there's a huge amount of diversity here in way of work that comes in. Some people say, oh, but sure, it's the same thing all the time. It's not. No day is the same. Every day is different. I love sort of having that difference each day. There's always some sort of challenge that arises, which I quite like, a challenge at times. Some of it challenges my patience, but I do enjoy it ultimately. And I live and breathe it, so like I said, it's my business. The first thing obviously would be around some tips then for the community. The biggest thing I've learned in business, I started off as a market trader, so coming to business, a bigger business then with staff, etc. I learned the way that knowing your numbers is really important. So keeping an eye on your numbers every single month, see where the peaks and troughs are. That's a really, really key feature to study, basically look at. So knowing your numbers is a key thing. You might have an accountant, you might have a bookkeeper, but also they're doing their job to keep your books in order. But if you know your numbers and you know what you're bringing in and not bringing in, it's a really good way then to know where the pitfalls are happening and you can deal with it early on. Whereas if you leave it and don't monitor your numbers, you could end up in a big pitfall at your 6 monthly meeting with your accountant or whatever, and they could turn around and say, by the way, this isn't working very well, and you really want to deal with that sooner rather than later.